this is Samantha Gilbert and Jennifer Matlack. Today we're going to show you guys how to use BlackboardCollaboration.com. So first, I'm going to start off with pressing on the purple arrow right here, the Open Collaboration panel. And we're going to go over to the sharing website. You can share any application here from Chrome to Firefox browsers. And you can also learn more about that, and as well as share files. There's as well a raising hand button right over here where you can put up your hand and get your question answered. And you can select to lower it as well. Then we can go right over to polling. Polling's pretty cool because during class you can do multiple choice or yes or no choices. A great way to get everybody involved. So there as well, as we go out of here, we're going to go over to how we're feeling. Happy, surprised, sad, faster. We always want class to go faster. Agree or disagree. We as well have the audio. You know when it's on, when it's green and blinking like so. And then there as well the camera button right here that we can click to show ourselves. You can also use the chat box right over here. Click right here. As you can tell, it's quiet, but you can ask a question like, what is this article? Like, type so right here.
You can also bring into question new topics, new ideas. You can ask for advice. You can tell somebody if you're confused about or repeat. You can ask somebody to repeat what they have done. You could also scroll down to this button right here, and you can see who is attending. So if you wanted to work with them also, you can go into here, and you can go to breakout groups, and you can start a group with somebody if you wanted to do that. Also, if you want to go back to this button, you can go back here, and then you can scroll down to timer, and you can set a time if you need a time limit. And that is all that we have today for you. Thank you.